What are you? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, buddy. Oh, come on. I got a big one for you. I know, Boomer. I know. Here. The big one, buddy. Can you carry more than one? No? All right. Decided to walk around the property. There's probably 7 or 8 chipmunks. And I've got 2 new ones feeding from me. One that'll, well, actually 2 that get in my hand. And one that'll actually come to me and take a peanut and run. But I do this occasionally just to find out who's who and where's where. And come here, buddy. Come on. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip. Come on, Boomer. Come on. Boomer's going to sneak up on me. Oh, nice. Thunder and lightning. Come here, Chip. Come on. Oh. Come on. I'm too old to get down on the ground. Come here, buddy. Chippy. Come here, Goof. Get up here. You only took 1 peanut last time. You ought to take at least 2. Yeah. Look at that one. Oh, come on. There's nothing wrong with that peanut. Look. Nothing wrong with it, dude. Now you're getting pretty particular. Come here. Get up here and get a peanut. Here. Here, Come here. Come here. Come on. How about this one? How about that one? Is that a good one? All right. What in the heck? I don't understand how these guys rate their peanuts. Boomer.